Republic. As proof, I go tell una say the Sako and the Ikome group, they never ever plan any action for help for push the revolution forward for ground zero or for do any positive diplomatic action for help for push the revolution forward. The only action where they be that announce them hurricane and tsunami, the action the way it never ever happen. They only wait if some group for ground zero then do some action, call and say na restoration forces, then they go jump on top, ha, say na them that, na they don't do one. They never ever plan, they never ever finance. This one a testimony from their own generals them. On the other hand, we see time and time again where ADF they support neutral forces, not just our forces with the supply for neutral forces them, including controversial forces the way they deal with the IG group. So it be very clear for all man where you get here for no way to where it happen. So before I take una for inside go zang, and I go on to bring this issue up, and na the issue where we know for inside the intelligence bureau of the Ambazonia Defense Forces after we successfully launched the Akamanso. The Akamanso was a game changer. It was an inspiration. It inspired our forces. It inspired our youth. It rekindled the desire of our people for self-defense. It inspired the diaspora who were wary about self-defense to invest more. It changed the whole narrative internationally that the Ambazonian forces are strong. It debunked all the lies that Paul Biya and the French government have been doing to misrepresent what is happening in ground zero. The Akamanso was a big game changer, and they have been a big game changer on the ground. They have moved into big areas in Lebialem, pushing La République du Cameroun out. They are moving into Manu and other areas to stabilize the areas. Recently, they have been deployed and they were in battle in Beme, in Manu, and many other places. I'm going to talk about that in a while. But there have been a persistent, we know in the intelligence office, the spy office of the ADF, that the Cameroon government have tried always to match the ADF. Whatever we do, they try to match it up to make sure that we are not the dominant force on the ground, to make sure that when it comes to negotiation, we cannot have the dominant voice or the final say, by encouraging and promoting other voices, including when it is against them, so that these voices could represent. So, there have been some controversial attacks on the ground that we of the ADF will decide to remain silent, even though there are voices within our intelligence committee that have submitted evidence that these attacks are suspicious attacks. But we choose to stay quiet because we have weighed the pro and the negative and the positive. We see, say, even if La République promotes something, if it backfire for them, so some of those actions them, it inspire other forces them, and it keep the revolution going. But there is also a hidden danger, which is the original intent of La République, to make sure that they give the perception to the international community now that behind the corridors of diplomacy, the Americans are pushing for a settlement, a non-conflict settlement of this revolution. Probably that is why Paul Biya have traveled abroad. And we know that they will match us gun for gun on the ground. That means whenever ADF do something, La République will use other forces or promote other forces to do the same, so that they will suppress us on the negotiation table. We know that for sure. So I will say things that you didn't expect to hear, but these are things that are backed up by our intelligence analysis in the Security Bureau of the ADF. There have been a fight on the ground that we know are unbelievable attacks against La République. That smells bad all over, but we have stayed quiet. You look at the attack carried out by No Pity that involved 6 ADF trained forces that were accompanying him. In the fires and analysis of those attacks, our forces have had the same weapons, and the forces on the ground have the same weapons that No Pity had. They had not had those type of success. If you look at the way the camera were running, soldiers running towards an area where Cameroon soldiers were, they went there, they supposedly killed soldiers that were all found dead with bullet wounds on their head, putting on security cap that should protect their head from bullet wounds. But somehow the soldiers were dead on the floor, according to the video that we arrived, freshly killed soldiers, but there was no evidence that the bullets were coming back from that direction. Those were all suspicious attacks to prop up groups. Now, Chris Anu and Sako, the way they have designed their structure, they don't have anything to do in Ground Zero. They are just propagating what is happening in Ground Zero to take claim, which is what they had designed. Because the Cameroon government works with many people for a common purpose, to sabotage and misrepresent our revolution. The soldier, ADF soldier, that was really telling us what was happening there, he was killed suspiciously after he ran towards those bodies and collected one of the AKs. He spoke with us during those attacks with no pity. They are all suspicious attacks. They are all suspicious attacks. I'll say it here so that you should know. The purpose of me saying this, for two reasons. You should not be blindsided. And if Cameroon thinks that they can pull a fast one against Ambazonian people, it will backfire on them. Because our people will not accept any group to come and declare surrender, or to go and compromise or accept any negotiation, a compromise negotiation, because they have become popular, because Cameroon is propping up their activities. The attack that took place in La Republique, in which area, that the first attack that took place there by the group of No Pity that the Cameroon government himself was promoting. They had an SDO come on social media, on their TV, and talk about the attack. The Cameroon government sent those attacks to the international press because there are security apparatus and security organizations around the world that pick up conflict activity, armed conflict activity around the world to determine what is going on, which is a force, who is fighting, who is not fighting. Those are indications the Cameroon government have been putting out by themselves. By the way, there was no attack that took place in La Republique. It was they said that the attack took place there in some area there. That attack never happened. It never happened. The attack of the buffaloes of Bali, I will tell you why I decided to put this out there for you people to know. I'll play the video of that attack for Bali, let you know. There have been two videos that have come out from Bali. One is an attack in what they call they burned down a Cameroon military post. We know that Cameroon military post, it is a school GS, is this GS what they call the name? It was burned by the Cameroon military themselves, who have moved from there into Mbonji to reinforce Mbonji because of ADF present in Gozang. Make a play the video for this attack for the buffaloes of Bali. Make una watch for una own eye. Una make the assessment on yourself as una choose for here. So this one na soldier them and cameraman they talk. Apparently, they supposed to go attack La Republique du Cameroon armored car. Then get time for talk. Una need to hear no bullet they come from that side. No bullet at all. But they want go attack an armored car. Una follow up. Una follow una self. Una judge una self. So they don't load their own Kalash. Una watch them again. Cameraman de for corner. Then load Kalash. They shoot. Bigo. They shoot moto where na armored car. He get Cameroon military personnel and for day. If that Cameroon military personnel they be alive when they attack them, they don't forget time for shidong, load gun, take camera, begin to approach the vehicle, to go open a vehicle where they know say military they the way if he still be alive.
Bingamoto. Yes, na bari cross and die this so. We tell have T junction here. Na moto is orum this am.
So then walk suite go for that moto. The cameraman need the fear. Say the armored car as soon as see am very well, get small hallway na the way the fish shoot gun. Say the armored car, the soldier fish there for the way be alive if he shoot them. But then go for the suite, go open them.
The moto is.
Then they shoot them there.
Binga kusu.
See? No gun they come straight and go for they go open the body them, drag them for ground. Then Cameroon government they tell international community say the attack that happened for day. The ADF it carry out an attack also for inside Bamenda with explosive. 1 foot for gendarme where he caught them, he fall for road, they can't pick up people then see them. They know if you make videos, they know if you get time for make videos. We need to push them in and make videos. For over 4 years, these soldiers then get the same weapons. When I don't ever see this type of victory, these are unbelievable. Which normal soldier go capture Cameroon military vehicle? No bonam. Una be see am also for Atlantic State, the same type of drama going on. So these are the inconvenient truth. It is up to every individual Ambazonian to make up their minds what they believe and what they don't want to believe. And one of the reasons why it pushed me for talk the truth about this type of attacks and where it unfold in front of our eye for ground zero. When I began see what soldier they had and go fight for inside Bonji, we lost one soldier for day. They fight for day. When I see how they fight, they go overtake General Ekolo Bilai, or how they call it, a local B house and all those things. When I see most of those attacks will carry them out. Those movements will carry them. We do our best for carry out those attacks. Some of them will not show the video. Some of them will not get the videos for sure and for now. So, but the reason why we want to talk, one of our soldiers them for inside Alabu camp for Bamenda, EBB adopted by forces where they come out for Bali. Make a play the video, make una see way to way it happened for day. Before I go take una go for inside the state of Bui. So this one an ADF soldier, where forces them from Bali, them come successfully penetrate our defenses, capture one of our soldiers for inside Bamenda for the Bamenda brigade, go torture he seriously. The soldier run, he come out come. Now the video this when I watch him.
I see him now. Now he that now. Don't see him now. Now he see them that way don't come out so. Now he skin that so. Oh, now look him.
Don't carry Amoka by Gotham. Amoka by Gotham.
They don't carry Amoka.
All this no.
He bike. Gotham. Na he this so way they fear. They say they can't take in for say me they do it. So now go ask question, but they not get no right. Na he this way they so na the see face. Oh no.
So, to be fair, the grandpa for Bali, he don't talk say the soldier the way they become catch, they do the action, na soldier the way they be done drive them for day. It be unbelievable because them be done the talk about this issue before this action do what happen. And he respond, Tanwe will talk about the issue. A spokesperson he come, he begin to talk say no mercy the fight, them the fight. For try to insinuate, so who said the ADF the fight? Where they know very well, say the ADF the fight. He don't fight only for their corner, but for Bonji. He the grandpa, he be done work with the ADF previously before he want leave with. He no be ADF. When they claim say the ADF, they do it where they do whatever they do for inside Bali. They but this type of things needs to stop. If any soldier he touch ADF soldier, we will hunt that soldier and make sure that soldier will pay. Any barracks where he send soldier may touch an ADF soldier, you will account and pay for it if you do not surrender the people who are involved to us. So, make una know very well, we will fight against La Republique, we will beat La Republique, and any sabotage, any attempt for try to pull a fast one of our people will not work. I guarantee you, it will not work. It will not work. So, make una know very well which way to go on for ground zero. We will continue for support every force where they fight against La Republique and where they denounce any attack against Ambazonian Defense Forces them as we continue to do our job for fight against La Republique du Cameroon. We here to say, Grandpa, they then decide for block road permanently for 3 months, according to the communique with Ngam, road for Batibo. The first time they be talking, they want block and because they want force the people for the Gozang incident for be resolved. Now, Cameroon colonial governor, he then declare a ban for all bike people them for inside Bali. Then, instead, for protect the interest of the people, when they benefit from that transportation, the free movement of our people during a time when they pay a high price. Grandpa for Bali, unara instead go talk so one block road for Bali for 3 months. Now, who would suffer for that blockage of road for 3 months? Unara consult with any political leadership. Last time we watched I will come for this one later on. It is just wrong. You cannot give our people pain when they are being punished by La Republique. when Cameroon governor will do the same ban for inside Bamenda, we for the ADF will be do a ban for all vehicles for a while. We will be call them off within a week because it be counterproductive. If we not be good faith and this is a mistake, a miscalculation, you people should peacefully withdraw that ban and allow circulation along that highway. It is very crucial for our people. It's very, very crucial for our people. We are living in very tough times. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll take una into Gozang district in the great state of Momo. History is being rewritten by people who purposefully have schemed to kill and destroy Ambazonian forces and tarnish the reputation of the major force on the ground for political reasons and for strategic reasons that benefit the enemy. These are people who have been paid to infiltrate this struggle, some of whom were propped up by Cameroon Communication Minister Issa Chiruma. I'm talking about Chris Ano. And Sako, a con man who was propped up to hijack Siseko's administration. These people have been engineering and weaponizing Ambazonian soldiers against soldiers in order to end this war in favor of Cameroon occupation of Ambazonia. This will not happen. Our soldiers are in total control of Gozang, and anybody who had participated in this attack will have no peace until they are hunted down. Any barracks that shelter these forces should immediately present them to the Ambazonian Defense Forces for questioning. I will not go further to talk about that. But before I take you into Gozang, as these impostors, embedded agents, agents provocateurs try to rewrite history, let me bring you back to who liberated Gozang before these people successfully take over this IG group from Seseko. This is Gozang, and these are the people, the ADF soldiers that liberated Gozang. As Sikot would always say, no group no supposed to go take place where another group day. If that is an honest statement, that statement should apply to the splinter IG group embedded agents who are trying to contest and claim that Gozang is a place for them and them only. For we, the ADF, we welcome any other force to come into Gozang and live side by side against us. Live in the trenches as we fight La République du Cameroun. The forces of the TTA that were arrested or brought into custody into the ADF have all been released and they are living amongst our people. We have not come to Gozang to capture anybody, to interrogate or fight anybody. We are just there to use it as a strategic position against La République. When I watch this video, before I will take una for inform una about the subsequent events and the current events in Gozang. These are all videos to tell you how Gozang was liberated and by who, and who can be there and who cannot be there. Una watch.
For you, so una not say we get problem for Gram Zero here. I mean this, but Timaya for Gozang. We get problem for here.
But Timaya, now the ADF commander for Gozang, where them be fight for liberate Gozang, kicking out all La République du Cameroun offices and their terrorist position in Gozang before these people them can take over Seseko IG group. They try for camp for displace we for political reason on the ground. Una listen.
General Commander, look at seize all my weapons them about 20-something promotion. Una sitting the way we get her now. Now I mean they did the church for camp Gozang any day. They the church for camp. Now just say that the fear I like they for not enter. They know it's I don't do them. They for not enter. When I not try for solve the matter, make a minute you arrive for them. When I talk say, me I talk say say I need work for AGF General Commando. Me I be my general for waiting. Now somebody face me bullet. No me that somebody face some bullet for Gram Zero here. No be they need pay no man for Gram Zero here. We don't decide for fight for una. Muna not take a like say they say we don't turn and slave them. As I talk now so, me they give that rifle. Una first thing where you first supposed to ask and I say. They don't give una that rifle for them. We not get for knife for them. Me they give a rifle for them because we know if I play with some man. With the war, I the team talk. So I go die. I the work under General Ivo when I ATF. I have a cho. As I tell you now, no man will change them. As I don't stand and say I'm a work with AGF. I work AGF. So they fight end.
So, unfortunately, these people had assassinated this commander and many of our top commanders who liberated Gozang, ADF soldiers, foot soldiers, dedicated nationalists fighting against La République du Cameroon. For the Michel Bientong and all those who have been trying to lie and rewrite history that ADF Ayabacho is fighting for La République, they should hear testimony of our soldiers on the ground fighting against La République, liberating homeland. We are the patriots. We are the liberators of Gozang. We are the people of Gozang, the sons and daughters of Mogamo, fighting to free homeland. So, when I hear the testimony, I'll play video of the people of the IG who sat down and plotted to assassinate this young man, including General Ivor. This one na a video for one of their Zoom meetings planning to assassinate soldiers.
They will never exist any other separate group of Momo. I'm going to work with Wuna, and then we will work or make sure they will eliminate these people there.
So, when I hear fellow people for Ground Zero, as soon as they watch me for our TV ACN, now the people in this way them plan for assassinate that young soldier where he talks so with plenty of his friend them, but Timaya, they don't assassinate them. Them plot and scheme. Like say ADF they can attack them, kidnap big number, and the rest shoot if a foot. Now God move them for their hand. Then go bring in the person who will know and now say na La Republic agent. Nambere, me can kidnap ADF soldier them. They meet them, they no shoot gun, they put their gun for down facing a brother them. Now ADF weapons and this, we then seize them all. With Nambere way to work with La Republic now. For carry them all. Go get them for them. They fight now against Ambazonia. These people, the way they try to pretend for lies, say ADF they work with La Republic. Now them, they work with La Republic. Their action is the prover every day for Ground Zero. So, before I take una for inside, wait till we go on now for Gozang, I'll present una some few video them. But una dan also see, say even our action them, that will attack inside Lebialem, so they will capture a local bee house. Them come, the same people them, can't talk say na they are fighter them. So they then give name for their own so-called county head. Talk how it be the plan they attack, they analyze them for their TV. We on a lie. When they realize and say na ADF they will go carry that attack, then talk na say na La Republic. So they not be consistent because they lie. They try to confuse our people with the hope say they not go support the right group will be effective for fight against La Republique du Cameroon. Recently, for inside Bamenda, some of our video them for our forces, the anti-kidnapping squad for Bamenda, it then capture La Republique du Cameroon. The people them for inside Bamenda, ma bring up that picture. The people them for inside Bamenda, where they work at thief and harass our people them. They make claim for being ADF soldier them. Now them this for year, now the ADF, now the Chris Anu, the Sakodia group this, they try to they claim I'm saying now their own fighter they be carrying. I hear say Chris Anu even go make a whole show. Unfortunately, I know if you play that video them for year for begin the confusion again. It claim her na their so-called restoration forces they don't catch the ones in na ADF na people them for inside Bamenda. But we actually in our forces them. We don't delay for release the video because we be very busy. So they claim say that they fight for Bamenda, they claim say no be they fight for Bamenda. The same cross and die where it be announced as say me they assassinate that cross and die. The same cross and die where it talk say person where key cross and die he go pay money. Now the cross and die be there for this video. Now he and our head of our anti-kidnapping squad, Pastor Emma, they be do this work for arrest these thieves them. So make una be rest assured. Say these people are just people who lie, and they are not fighting to kick against the ADF because of anything. Now because they want to create a buffer for interrupt the free flow of our soldiers for attack La Republique. When I see say these few days ago they for Isa Gozang, we don't use them like a platform, like a base for launched attack for La Republique. It even make La Republique then withdraw for some part them for inside Bali for can reinforce their position them around Gozang. So we will continue to do our job.